Hello, and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your Pinterest account public. Now, maybe for some reason, you might notice that your posts don't really get the engagement that you hope it would. The pictures that you upload here, you don't get any likes. Like, for example, this one, you don't get any comments. And one possibility is that's possibly because you might have set your account to private, which means some people may not be able to visit your account and see what you have in store. Now, let's do exactly the opposite of that. Let's try and turn your account back to public. So what you need to do is to go down here on the bottom right, click on your profile picture, then click on your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen, and then you just need to head over to profile visibility. And as you can see, I have currently set myself to private profile, which is probably why only the people that I have approved of can see my profile, pins, boards, followers, and following lists. So what you need to do is just to disable that. And now my profile is now public. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.